Good morning, everyone. Eric here from the Nomadic Fanatic channel. Checking in one last time from Gulfport, Mississippi. This is it, guys. This is my last day to load everything up, and we are getting on the road tomorrow westward. So I am going to be busting my butt today to organize the underbay compartments of the bus, get the trailer finalized. Trailer Swift over here. I have some really good news about the quad too, because she's gonna be going right there. Thank you again for joining me, guys. I will be uploading this video with some Connecten internet. Check out the video description below for unlimited high-speed internet. Before I pack away this beaut right here, I want to ride her one more time. I took the electric loppers out, popped in a battery, and went on the trail with my electric loppers and trimmed the back area here at Billy and Michelle's property. And guys, Billy's been working on this quad for 2 days for me. I hired him to do a full tune-up. It didn't have any brakes, got no brakes, front or rear. I still don't have working rear brakes, but I do have front brakes now. Whole new drum kit, springs, everything, brakes work. I also didn't have a tail light or a light, so I think I'm in this like maybe 250 bucks. Brand new tail light there, new spark plug, new wires, new coil wire, new air intake. We fixed the muffler system because somebody had put this underwater here in Mississippi and it was all corroded. So the new air filter and intake, fresh oil, new oil filter. The carburetor has been completely rebuilt and tuned up. And this now works, so I can set this to fuel, or down is on with the petcock. Fire this guy on with the key, and then watch this. Oh. She's ready, guys. She's ready. Got all my lights working. It's a 250 quad, so it's not huge. Like I said, we're about to find out in this video if it does fit in my trailer like I had planned. But I mean, let's at least take it out for a ride. Let me put my GoPro chest mount on and we'll go ride these back trails back here. Hopefully I've got this tight so it doesn't fall down. It's gonna be a little bit of a bumpy ride here. Trailer like I measured it. Gotta hug this line. Can you make it? Oh, it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be really tight. How's that wheel looking? I think we're almost there. Head forward a little bit. Oh. Yes! We fits, we sits. That's what I'm talking about. I don't think you could have gotten it any closer than that, Eric. We're right up against the wall here. How fantastic is it that that wheel on this quad fits in my existing wheel chock for the Harley? Right there, too. I mean, it's as if this was the quad. This had to have been the quad for me. A 250. That is too strange. You could not script that. You could not plan that. Still got some room there to, I mean, holy cow. So, my hope, I still got that big inflatable tent right there, that canvas inflatable tent. I'm gonna have Billy help me plop that up and sit it right here. And then I got all this room here for generator and other stuff. Of course, I'm gonna wheel chock this. I'm gonna pull this, strap this down to that clip right there. Same thing in the front to keep it pushed against the wall. And then before I hook this entire trailer, since it's a completely different load, before I hook it up to the bus, I'm gonna hook it up to Billy's truck and take it on the highway and see how it rides. Make sure my weight distribution is right and we don't get that crazy wobble effect. I'd rather know before I hook it up to the bus. But as you can see, I got barrels, I got tools, I got other stuff that's got to go in here. So I'm going to be loading up all night. My plan is to leave tomorrow morning and we'll see how well that plan works. Also, today's a very special day. Although I still kind of have a migraine, headache, some dizziness from that ear infection, sinus infection thing going on. Today marks 1 month, 30 days sober, guys. 30 days, 1 month ago today. I quit drinking. Been drinking a lot of water and soda, sody pops. No beer, no alcohol of any kind for 30 days. Didn't think I could do it, did you? Me neither. Nobody forced me to, nobody asked me to. It was just something that I wanted to do, and here we are. Do I want to go buy a 30 rack right now and drink? No, no. I'll let you know. I'm not holding myself to anything. But for right now, I don't have any desire to start drinking alcohol again. So I just need to get over this weird sinus sickness infection thing going on, and I'm still taking antibiotics. So you don't want to drink, Eric. Got to finish these antibiotics first. Okay. In the meantime, I am kind of back on schedule to see Mom for Thanksgiving. We shall see. I got a lot of work to do. Let me turn on some tunes and get some stuff done. All right, Trailer Swift is loaded, folks. Loaded. Luckily for me, I don't really need to access anything in here except that possibly the generator right in front, depending on if we get sunshine. But yeah, I got my water barrels back there, my inflatable tent, my chairs, my big boy poop tank, all my tools, my extra dish up there. Actually, there's still room there in the front. I'm just trying to keep light stuff forward of the axle right now. And then in the back, I mean, it probably looks worse than it really is. There's not actually a lot of weight back here. It's a lot of lightweight stuff. But yeah, Trailer Swift is loaded, just not very heavy. That quad weighs a lot less than a Harley Davidson. So, check my tires one more time in the morning before heading out. And then I got to hook up, obviously. I'm going to bulk charge the batteries overnight. I'm just using the cord right now for playing music. So I'll charge, make sure that my monster batteries are ready to go. Just topped off my diesel heater there. And this compartment holds my tent that's in boxes there. And yeah, it's time to get one last night of sleep and organize the inside so we can take off in the morning. And we're off. Literally just turned out the driveway, guys. Something's rattling up there by Opie. Opie's on the counter for some reason. He's not supposed to be, but yeah. Here we go, guys. We're on the road. We made it. I'm gonna miss my friends Billy and Michelle. We gotta head west. See you in 2 days. We're back on schedule for Thanksgiving. Bye, guys.